Minimum wage workers may soon see more money in their pockets. The Michigan Supreme Court ruled to strike down a move made by lawmakers reinstating wage and sick leave laws. But not everyone's on board. 13 on your side's Nathan Lee joins us from the newsroom. Nathan, explain what's going on.
Sure, Juliet. Now, this issue goes all the way back to 2018. Voters passed through a petition to raise minimum wage and get rid of sub-minimum wages, or when your tips get subtracted from your paycheck. Now, this petition was approved by lawmakers, sending it through without an appearance on the ballot. But in the same session, lawmakers amended the bill, essentially watering down what voters had petitioned for. That method is called adopt and amend, and that is what the court struck down. Now, what does this mean for the everyday person? Well, it means Michigan's minimum wage could rise past $12 an hour, changes that would go into effect in February. It also means the gradual removal of wages where tips are subtracted. Many are hailing this as a win for low-wage workers. The Attorney General described it as a, quote, landmark victory for Michigan voters, end quote. But others are concerned, saying it's bound to disrupt an already shaky industry, or that it even might lead to the erasure of tipping as a whole. The Chamber of Commerce says it's too early to tell.
How are people then interested or not interested in tipping? I think there's a lot of questions. We can look at some other states that have moved this route and try to figure out how it could impact us. But really what we're seeing right now is a really high degree of caution, concern, confusion, and a lot of questions from employers.
Now, the minimum wage in Michigan is not yet set. The state treasurer is going to determine how much inflation plays into per hour amounts before the number goes into effect on February 21st. In the newsroom, Nathan Lee, 13 on your side.